Alright, so for whatever reason, the audio in this video just stopped randomly working. So, I'm going to do a voiceover real quick. So basically we're doing a mulch control kit on a Z315E with a 42-inch deck. This is the kit. It's got the arm to push open the baffle. That way you can shoot out the side or close it off to mulch it. Comes with all your bolts and nuts, a couple blades, mulching blades. Part number is BUC10704. You can get all these parts on parts.store. Should be a link in the bio. Basically the kit comes with your little side cover, your baffle, as well as your side discharge, little flap, and then your nuts and bolts, a couple blades. Also comes with instructions, so you guys can do this yourself or watch the video depending on what you need to do. Now, I guess at this point we can go ahead and put this thing together and get it underneath the machine. So basically, you're going to put the flap, you're going to connect the flap to the baffle. We're going to remove the foot plate first. And go ahead and put the kit on it. It's only a few screws, it's not a big deal, it's pretty easy to do. So if you just watch the video, I can pretty much show you what to do here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook this swing arm here to the mulch kit baffle. And there's a little rod in here. You basically take this rod and install it into the baffle. There's a slot in the baffle. You'll see me point at it here in a second. So we put these two pieces together. It only goes one direction. Kind of see where it slides in and everything lines up. You flip it over and there's a slat right here. That flat plate right there is going to go into that slat. So you just push your shaft through there. That'll stick through the deck, and then you'll put your arm on top of that with the nut on top. And that's pretty much it to hold that together. So at this point we can grab a few of 13mm nuts and we will shove it under the deck. So however you can get it under there, whether you got the machine jacked up. I'm just going to shove it through the side baffle here, side chute here. Well, I don't even have to pick the machine up with a jack or anything like that. So basically you're going to push this under there and get that black screw to pop through the top of the deck. And then that's where you'll put your... Alright, so the next part of the video that wasn't recording, basically I just shoved that baffle through there. We're pushing the bolt up through the deck, and then we're going to install, well actually we'll put this nut on first. We got to install this, your top arm, which is what opens the chute. So basically just slide it on there. You're going to put one nut on the silver one, and that'll pretty much hold the mulch kit baffle in place enough that you can go ahead and put the other nuts and bolts on. Like I said, it's a fairly easy kit. There's only three nuts and bolts, and then you got the two that kind of go through the bracket here. So this goes right through the bottom. You'll find a slot that it fits in. Put your 13mm nut on top of that one. You don't want to tighten it down yet until you put all the screws in. So go ahead and tighten that down a little bit with your fingers. We'll go ahead and do the next one. Put that one in. Just kind of tighten that down with your fingers, like that. And then from there we can go ahead and put, there's one underneath. You might have to get under where that hole is there. And there's a slot where the bolt will go through. And you put your nut, 13mm nut on top of that one. And then we'll go ahead, and once I get this one in right here, we'll go ahead and tighten them all up. And move on to the next spot here. I'm gonna get my gun real quick and put the last nut on the baffle arm there. We'll go ahead and tighten all these up. Let's get the gun. It's gonna be a 13mm socket. Tighten that. Alright, 13mm ratchet with a socket. Tighten that one up. I'm going to tighten this one up. I'm going to tighten this one up. I'm going to put my hand over here to make sure I get the bolt in the right spot. Tighten that one up. And this one I think I'll have to get. Might put a wrench on that just to make sure. Then we have this little side plate here. This is going to go underneath the baffle here. It's going to go kind of underneath that plate. Does not go on the inside. Like this does not flip on the inside. It's actually going to hit this plate right here. That's how you want it. So grab our bolts. This is going to go like this. Put this through here. Put this nut on. And take this one. It's going to go through the bottom, come up through the top. Put this one on. Tighten that. I might have to go get a wrench for this as well, because I don't think I can get a socket in there. And get one on this one. Make sure you get it in the hole like that. Now if you look, here's your pulley or your arm. We need to get that to line up. That looks pretty good. If we actually move this arm back forward, you can see that it's not moving. We need to get it. Just making sure that it's basically in the square hole there. Not like that. That's it for that part. We'll get a wrench to tighten this one and maybe hit that one a little bit just to make sure I got it on all the way. Actually, it's the back one. Let's see if I can find a 13mm. Been working on this big old tractor and I got a bunch of my tools spread out on it. Let me grab that. Make sure I got this one and make sure I got this one tightened up. Got it in the hole, it's good. Alright, now let's see what size bolt we got on the blades. I think it's an 18, yep. We got to swap the blades out real quick. And that's just an 18mm. Find the impact gun. Breakfast of champions right there, baby. I get my impact gun here. Kind of got stuff all over the place, like I said. This tractor's kind of in my way today. But part comes in tomorrow and it won't be in my way. So I'm not going to move it because it's all tore apart. 18mm. Go ahead and jack this one up. Usually I just kind of go underneath this arm here. Tends to work alright usually. If it don't, I'll put it somewhere else. Alright, I'm going to grab the blades. Like I said, this kit comes with everything you need. You don't need anything but a 13mm wrench, a ratchet with a 13mm socket, and an impact gun if you have it, with an 18mm socket to get the blades off. Get under here. that off. These are your mulching blades versus just your standard this side discharge blade. Make sure my hole on. Boom. Go to the other side. Trash. Now you are supposed to put your sticker on. The sticker goes somewhere right in here, so you can tell which way to side discharge or close the gap. Close the get that kind of cleaned off a little bit. Got the sticker on, good to go. Now, get under here, swap our last blade out. Oop. Bolt through. Started with our fingers. That way we don't strip nothing out. Find the hole. There we go. You go ahead and put your foot plate back on, and you just learned how to install a Mulch on Demand mulch kit for a Z315E. We'll get on to the next one.